In this video, I'm going to show you how to translate Wattpad stories in English. So the first thing you want to do, you want to find a story which is not in English inside Wattpad, and then if you go over here and just start reading it, so for example, as you can see, I found a story which is not in English over here. As a matter of fact, I think it's in Croatian. So over here, once you're in here, you can't really do right click and translate the page because it won't let you. However, what you can do if you want to essentially just translate is you want to get a portion of the text on your screen. You want to go up here to where you can see the link, click on that, and then click on Google Lens. Here, you then want to basically select this area over here, and then once you do that, you want to select translate when it says over here, so it says translate, click on that, and this is then going to translate. It's going to detect the language, which is Croatian, as I said, and then you can see over here you have to select English. And once you do that, you can scroll down, and over here is going to be the transcribed or translated language. Okay, so in case you get this error like I did over here, and if it says it didn't respond, you can just essentially just refresh this, try this again like that. Let me show you really quickly. Okay, and translate. And then for the second time, there we go, it should be translated. Sometimes it happens that there's an error, but if there's an error, simply just refresh it as I said, and you'll be good to go. As you can see, this is now the English translation. You can read this part, and then after you're done with that, you can just exit by clicking on the screen. You can scroll down to the second part, and then just do the same thing yet again, and translate, and just keep on translating. It's a bit of a hassle, however, it's the only thing you can do if you actually want to translate your stories that you can read on Wattpad into English. So that's that. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.